Number 5. The GE Profile UltraFast Combo. Washer and dryer is designed to simplify laundry by combining powerful washing and fast drying in one sleek, space-saving unit. It uses advanced technology to clean thoroughly while reducing overall laundry time. And its ventless heat pump drying system makes installation flexible without sacrificing performance. The machine's high spin speeds help remove more water during the wash cycle, so clothes dry quicker. And its built-in intelligence automatically adjusts settings based on fabric type and soil level for optimal care. With a large capacity, it can easily handle everyday loads as well as bulky items. And the intuitive controls make operations smooth and convenient. It also features antimicrobial technology in key areas to help maintain freshness. And the built-in Wi-Fi connectivity allows you to monitor and control the machine from your phone for added convenience. Overall, it brings efficiency, smart features, and high-quality results together in one modern appliance. Number 4. The LG WashTower Laundry Center offers a sleek and efficient all-in-one laundry solution by stacking a large capacity washer and dryer in a vertical unit that conserves space without compromising performance. It employs powerful turbo wash technology to aggressively clean clothes in a fraction of the time. And the high-efficiency dryer uses sensor drying to automatically adjust heat and time according to moisture levels, helping save energy. With its intuitive centralized control panel, you can easily manage both washing and drying cycles, reducing the hassle of transferring loads between machines. Extra-large drums in both compartments allow for big or bulky items, while steam options help reduce wrinkles and sanitize delicate fabrics. The appliance's thin profile makes it ideal for apartments or tight laundry rooms. Its quiet design ensures it won't disturb the rest of your living space. Overall, the LG WashTower brings together smart efficiency, modern convenience, and serious load handling capabilities in a streamlined format. Number 3. The Maytag Pet Pro Top Load Washer is built with pet owners in mind. Featuring a dedicated Pet Pro system that visibly lifts and traps stubborn pet hair using a built-in Pet Pro filter. When you select the Pet Pro option, the washer boosts its water level and deep rinse action, so that fur is thoroughly loosened and captured rather than redepositing on your clothes. Its power agitator delivers powerful 360-degree wash motion to knock out tough stains, while the extra power option adds a pre-wash cycle and intensified agitation to tackle really stubborn spots so you can set it and walk away without worrying. The washer also includes smart cleaning conveniences like Number 2. The Samsung Bespoke Ultra Capacity Smart Front Load Washer blends cutting edge technology with thoughtful design to deliver a high-performance laundry experience. Its ultra-capacity drum accommodates large loads, making it perfect for families, while the powerful yet gentle Wash Duo feature uses separate jets and impellers to thoroughly clean and rinse clothes without excessive wear. The smart control panel, in harmony with Wi-Fi connectivity, lets you start, stop, and monitor cycles from your phone or via voice assistants, giving you convenience and control even when you're away. The washer's built-in AI wash system adapts water temperature, cycle length, and agitation based on fabric type and soil level, ensuring optimal cleaning while preserving fabric integrity. Steam functionality boosts stain removal and refreshes fabrics, while the vibration reduction technology Plus helps keep the unit stable and quiet during spin cycles. Every feature of the Samsung Bespoke washer, from its sleek, customizable design panels to its modern smart capabilities, combines to offer a powerful, guessing, and elegant laundry solution. Number 1. The GE Profile UltraFresh Vent System Plus is a high-end front-load washer, engineered to keep your laundry space clean, fresh, and sanitized. At its core, the UltraFresh Vent System Plus features a smart humidity sensor that detects and expels excess moisture after a cycle, dramatically reducing the risk of musty odors. Inside, microban antimicrobial